Right, good day and welcome to learning exercise 8.32, again transitional. We're using the first derivative or first principle to find the first derivative, and I'm looking at problems that's more complex. To determine the first derivative of the following, use the first principle. Always important to read what the question says. So the fx is equal to 3x cubed. So here x cubed, as I said to you in the previous exercise, you need to know always simplifies to x cubed plus 3x squared h plus 3x h squared plus h cubed. Multiply by 3 and that is what I get. So to find the first derivative using the first principle, my first derivative equal limit h tends to 0, fx plus h minus fx over h. So that becomes 3x squared, fx plus h is that equation, substituted there, minus f of x, so minus 3x cubed. Again, as you can see, whatever doesn't have a variable h cancels, so 3x cubed minus 3x cubed would cancel, and I'm left with 9x squared h plus 9xh plus 3h cubed all over h. Again, now we have to remove a common factor. So my common factor I'll always remove is h. And that h and the h at the bottom cancels, and I have that equation in one line. Right, so I have this quadratic equation, limit h tends to 0. Now I substitute in, so wherever h is I put in 0, so that becomes 9x times 0 plus 30 squared, which then gives me 9x squared. So the first derivative of 3x cubed become 9x squared. Can you find a shorter way of getting 9x squared? Look at it. Use your brain. God bless. Right? Or if I'm saying God bless and I'm saying farewell, and we still have a more complicated problem, your favorite topic, fractions. Let's look at fractions. So given to me f of x, sorry about that extra stroke there, equal 2 divided by x. To find fx plus h first, that x simply becomes x plus h. So the first derivative, according to the first principle, is limit h tends to 0 of fx plus h minus fx over h. So fx of h, 2x plus h minus 2 over x divided by h. So you should know to add two fractions, the denominator should always be the same. So just to show you quickly what I do, instead of now struggling, I just said x times x plus h is my denominator. Then I cross multiply. So 2 times x becomes 2x, and 2 times x plus h. If I simplify the top line, that becomes 2x minus 2x minus 2h. Bottom x times x would become x squared plus xh, and that h I change division to multiplication, so h over 1 then becomes 1 over h. Right? If I simplify again, you see whatever doesn't have a h cancels, 2x minus 2x becomes 0. I'm left with minus 2h over x squared plus xh. See now this h and that h cancels. So my final answer is limit h tends to 0. This is the h that's left. I substitute in 0. So I'm left with minus 2 over x squared. So you see 2 over x become minus 2 over x squared. All the best. Hope you understand. God bless. If you feel you need more problems, feel free to ask and I will do more. God bless. All the best.